Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to use Heygen's translation system. So we're going to jump straight into it, and at the bottom over here it says video translation, and we're going to click on that. And what you can see here is at the top it does say that it is powered by 11 Labs, and if you are familiar with 11 Labs and AI generation, 11 Labs is fantastic. Over here on the main part of the page, you have two options. You can upload a video through a third-party URL, and all you'd have to do is paste that URL over here. So you don't even have to be able to upload the actual video. You can just use its URL. Of course, you need to make sure that you have permission to use that video. And then the second option, which is the upload video. And here you can drag and drop a video, or you can just tap on the screen and you'll be able to upload it straight from your device. So I've got a sample video over here. It does tell you that you can use MP4, MOV, WebM, and a file up to 5 gig, which is quite large, and that's fantastic. Now what you can see up at the top right hand side, there's 3 dots, and there's knowledge base, there's brand vocabulary, and there's tips. Now if you want to know more about this video translation, you can go into any one of these and you can find out a little bit more. So at the bottom of this area here, there is a create new translation, and you want to go ahead and tap on this. Now once you've tapped on this, it'll ask you to choose one of these two options. The first option being translate directly, and this uses AI to scan and translate your original audio in the video. The second one is to generate a proofread. So it creates a proofread and modifies the script. It's also going to modify the voices and the speakers before generating the video. You do need that enterprise price plan, so we are going to jump in with the translate directly. And here we have all of our options for our voice. So first of all, choosing your target language. This is where you get to choose what language you want to put it into. Alright, so let's just go ahead and let's choose Turkish. We're going to now just go down to the original language, and you can either have it auto detect, or you can go ahead and open it up and put the language in there. Now it is in fact in English, and you can just see that there are a few different English or a few different other languages, so with a country in the brackets, and this is just to use the correct dialect, accent. So we're going to choose the correct one, and then you get to choose the number of speakers. Again, you can have it auto detect, or you can just choose the number of speakers. What you want to do is try and make this as easy as possible, and then you can translate the audio only with no lip sync. We're going to leave that off because I do actually want the lip sync. I think that's fantastic. And then you can also have the captions included, and you can use the original video specs, and again you need that paid package. Once we're done here, confirm submission at the bottom. You can see here it'll tell you what the video output, so that's one video, how many credits you need, 0.5 we need, and how much we actually have left. Okay, so once we're done here, we're going to go ahead and tap on submit for translation. Now, because of the very intricate detail of translation that needs to happen here, what you will see is it'll take some time. Okay, so for now I've reached my daily limit, but what we're going to do is just say cancel, and I'm going to show you one of the results that I have done previously. So if you come down over here, you can see I've used the very same video with all the same settings, except I've had it translated then into French. Alright, so here it is. What we can do is on the right hand side, there's 3 dots. There are quite a few options here, but for now you can see clearly you can download it. It will come with a watermark, and that's fine for now. But then what we can do is just click on the actual picture over here. It will open up, and you will see your normal video playing options. Again, you're going to go ahead and you can change some of the options here.
Je vais revoir beaucoup de choses que j'ai faites en tant que photographe débutant au début de ma carrière en photographie.
And there we go, folks. I can now speak French. I absolutely love it. Now, once you're done here, again, you can just go ahead and download it. And if you go up to the top left-hand side, and you'll see there's a home tab, you'll tap on that. You can see all your recent creations here. So if you enjoyed this video, go ahead, drop us a like, and we'll see you next time.